Are you hesitating to buy a teleprompter? There's lots of content on professional teleprompter devices and DIY solutions. Sometimes it gets tricky to decide what works for your type of content best. Stay tuned and let's figure it out together. Hi, I'm Mia from Teleprompter.com, and in today's video, I'll be comparing the use of a professional teleprompter versus a do-it-yourself one. Before we jump into the comparison, let's briefly discuss what a teleprompter is. A teleprompter is a tool used by professionals in various industries to deliver scripts seamlessly on camera. It's essentially a display device that reflects the text in front of the camera lens, allowing the speaker to read while appearing to maintain direct eye contact with the audience. Teleprompter hardware, like the ones you can purchase from reputable suppliers, is designed specifically for this purpose. It consists of a prompter glass that reflects the text, a dedicated frame to hold the glass, a cover to prevent external reflections, and a platform to mount your camera securely. The key advantage of using teleprompter hardware is the ability to maintain eye contact with your audience. As the text is reflected on the prompter glass, it appears right in front of the camera lens. So when you read the script, your eyes naturally focus on the lens, creating the illusion of direct eye contact with your viewers. This connection enhances the authenticity and credibility of your message. Now, let's talk about the DIY approach to teleprompters. Many content creators, especially those on a budget, might consider creating their own teleprompter setups using everyday materials like smartphones, tablets, or even cardboard. While DIY teleprompters can be a cost-effective solution, they come with some limitations. One major drawback is the difficulty in achieving proper eye contact. With DIY setups, the text might be placed below or above the camera lens, causing the speaker's eyes to divert away from the audience. However, eye contact is vital for engaging your audience. When you maintain eye contact, viewers feel connected to you and are more likely to trust what you're saying. It also helps to convey confidence and authenticity, making your content more compelling and memorable. If you are on a tight budget, I recommend using our Teleprompter app. It allows you to scroll through your script while recording, placed perfectly just below your smartphone camera to create the illusion of using an actual teleprompter device. What's great with using the Teleprompter app is that by tilting your phone, you can quickly switch from vertical to horizontal recording. So whether you're a content creator on YouTube or TikTok, the Teleprompter app comes in handy in both situations. Tilt it left or right, the text will always stay near your camera. Although recording with your phone camera can decrease the resolution, with our Teleprompter app, you have the chance to record in 4K. In conclusion, using teleprompter hardware provides a significant advantage in maintaining authentic eye contact with your viewers. The investment in a quality teleprompter is worthwhile if you aim for delivering polished, engaging content regularly. We hope this comparison has shed some light on the importance of eye contact and the benefits of using teleprompter hardware. As always, experiment with different setups and find what works best for you and your content. I hope you found this comparison helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content creation tips. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and happy teleprompting.